Here in an office complex, we got some Payne and Trane air conditioners. This one's a day and night. Heat pumps. ...2017 3-ton XR14.
Yep.
Got a Payne coming too.
I'm not sure what happened to that window sill there.
14 series, 3-ton.
Denton and fan grill.
Is it faded?
Yes, a little bit, yeah.
It is A.
2016, 3-ton.
I think they're all XR14.
Yeah.
There's a Rheem over there. Payne over here to shut off.
There's the Payne stuff. Oh, these are nasty. I've been over here, I just haven't gotten around to filming them. We have a
This is 2015. Oh no, this is 2009.
Let's see, 2020.
No, this is 2015.
Shut off. It's a 2020 14 seer.
They're all pretty dirty. The Bryant Legacy line over there. We'll go look at that in a second.
In the bottom. All the pine straw.
This one have an LG or a Copeland?
Damn, that's a lot.
Oh, this has an LG.
Let's see, this is a 2015.
I don't think I got the date on this one yet.
It looks to be a 37,000 BTU, so it's a little over a 3-ton.
Less than 2 years old. Just shy of 2 years old.
This one's been running.
Yeah.
It just shut off right before we got
This
here.
thing's been running. I guess I'm gonna try to start up.
The bearings sound a little bit dry on this one. I am getting covered in spider webs right now. This is only 3 years old and it's already... No, this is 4 years old. This is 2018. I don't believe this complex is that old. My storage just did get full, so I'm now using the GoPro. I should have brought my Sony with me.
Although we're still warming around. So I could have set up.
Gonna get a reversing valve shot. There it is right there. All these units seem to be shutting off as we come upon them.
That's a good thing. You can start up. Goodman. They never took the wrap off.
Yeah, they did. Never.
This one has a Copeland in it.
Old.
2020 5-ton 14 seer.
Yep. I saw the energy guide. I think it's through the box. Something there. Yep.
They still haven't taken the wrapper off the logo.
I think there's one more building down there.
Yeah, there's a building.
Yeah, we'll check that out. The Tempstar over here that's running. There's a little lizard right there.
3.5.
He's a lizard.
Again, it looks to be a 14. By the serial number, I'm guessing.
It's a 2020 3.5-ton 14 series.
last I was here, look, this is out of service in Aspen.
Yeah, this one's just like the
Look, it's
ones
just
at
sitting there,
the
look.
complex I have in my hometown.
It's just sitting here.
It's just sitting there.
What year is it?
I can't tell. It's all, the data sheet's all worn away.
So I'd say probably about 2004, 2005.
Maybe 2006.
Removed.
I'd say 2004 to 2006.
There's all that stuff in there.
That is.
These buildings were built in 2000.
It doesn't have the capacitor in
Look
it.
at this. The wrapper's still on. You
Got a new one.
14 seer. 2021 4-ton.
I hate it when companies just leave the wrap on the logo. There's a locking cap sitting down there.
It's 2021.
Yeah, it does keep it from fading though.
No, it doesn't.
They're even a man.
The locking caps.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the logo
The
here.
locking cap.
Oh yeah, that cat. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Yeah.
Let's see how old this Amanda is.
Yeah, I'll get the data. 2018 5-ton, also 14 seer.
Alrighty. That Goodman there's from 2021. So it's pretty new.
We got two more Goodman here.
These are older, I can tell.
10 seer, I believe.
If I recall, they're from
2003 4-ton. That one's probably the same.
Look at the Goodman logos on them. Check out the Goodman logo.
That's pretty interesting.
Yeah.
Does one have the same? Yeah, it does.
They have a couple.
Those old plastic logos.
Got a padlock on the disconnect there. This one has the padlock on top of the disconnect for whatever reason.
Look at, there's a...
I can't tell what kind of compressor it is. It's too dark to see. Random door right there. Oh, that's got a Bristol in it, I think. Yeah, that's got a Bristol.
2003
Has been running.
That sounded beautiful. I guess that's the last of them.
Yeah.
Right over now.